What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emil. This channel is dedicated to you guys to show you anything I'm doing to make passive income with cryptocurrency. And thank you to Hivemapper that I just partnered with. I'm able to give you guys a 10% discount on the next miner that I want to show you, which I actually personally just purchased. So this is the Hivemapper. I'm very excited because for one, we already do this already, whether it's driving to school, driving to pick up our kids from school, driving to get food at the grocery store, driving to do a fun activity on the weekend. We all drive, and if we don't, we're bound to be in a car one day. So if this is you, this is a great opportunity to jump on early because, with cryptocurrency project, especially mining, the earlier you start, the better. Now, I'm going to try to make this video as quick as I can and as informative as I can without making you guys fall asleep or skipping to the next channel. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe down below so you can see when I get this miner and do an unboxing video, or for any future crypto content that I come up with that I think is valuable for you guys. So Hivemapper, why are they important? Well, for one, I got into it because I saw that Helium partnered with them, and that was a big thing for me because if you see any of my past videos, I'm a big believer in Helium, and I give out free miners while I travel the world with my family. So that was a deal breaker for me. Boom. Then when I really got into it and I was trying to figure out why would this Dashcam data be so important to the world? What is so important to video while you drive, right? It can't be that important. But then I figured out that this car right here, the Google Maps Street View car, it actually cost $500,000 to produce. In fact, it was so expensive to produce that they don't produce that much. But for what they did produce, Uber ended up paying them $58 million a couple of years ago, as you can see in 2019, just to use their services. Now, that's just one rideshare company. Imagine, Lyft or any other company that needs this type of service. So this is a big industry, obviously, that I didn't see. And at the same time, this device is going to be recording while you're driving. I think that it's also censored, so when there's movement, it also will record real quick. And it's really cool because, like I said, this right here costs $500,000. This right here costs $500, and it's probably better. I know it's better. The view is 4K versus what we have here. I don't even know what this is. It's outdated, that's for sure. But you guys, you can see clearly we have big investors. We have Solana. We have all these venture capitalists right here. We have the CEO of Helium, the founder of Solana, the CEO of Silo, CEO of Masterclass. We have this former Oppo Mac executive, Jaron Walden. So we have big people that are investing into Hivemapper. That's another thing that I really got my eye. And I love passive income plug and play projects, and this is just something that's simple. You just pay $550. You wait for your miner to get in. You record what's going on while you drive, and you get paid honey for doing it. Super, super simple, guys. In fact, if you guys want one, I will be dropping a coupon code down below. It's a way where you get 10%. And at the same time, for anyone that uses my 10%, a certain portion of my profit will be allocated to purchasing another Hivemapper, so I can give out one for free on this channel. So I'm really motivated to building this channel content up to a bigger community. At the same time, I want to get to a point where I'm able to give out free miners. I want to be able to give back to the community because that's what I really admire and what I really want to do. So that's the Hivemapper. I'm very excited to start, and thank you to the partnership. I'm able to give you guys a 10% coupon code, which will be down below. Like always, please like and share to your friends and family, as I'll be giving out more crypto content and an unboxing video here shortly. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned.